welcome to the Helen and Arthur E. Johnson Beth-El College of Nursing and Health Sciences. I'm Tim, and I'm going to be showing you around a little bit, so come with me. Our first stop is the assessment lab, and here we learn how to assess different body systems and functions and how to tell normal from abnormal. And this is usually at one of our nursing students' very first classrooms. This is the skills lab where you do all the physical skills that come with nursing, such as working with airways or transferring a patient from a wheelchair or commode to a bed. Now we're in the control room of the SimLab, where all the magic happens when we're teaching students how to care for patients. And in this setting, we can teach them how to deliver babies, take care of respiratory problems, even how to deal with heart attacks. When we run simulations here, we make everything as real as possible, from the equipment in the room to the supplies that the students use. That way the skills they learn here transfer to what they're doing in the hospitals while they're getting their education. One of the things I like to share with everybody is when we plan simulations here, we use the mannequins and the standardized patients in conjunction. So if we're doing something invasive where, like a heart attack, we don't want to do that on a live person, we'll use a mannequin. But if we're going to do something that is more communication driven, we'll use the standardized patient or the actor and actress that can convey that better. We just put students into a situation where they can learn either from their mistakes or from the experience. And in debriefing, it's not one of those things that you totally screwed up. It's very much a reflective kind of process where they go through and they say things like, what were your priorities before you went in the patient room? And what happened in the patient room that changed your priorities? And how did they change? And the faculty walk the students through that process. And then we have what's called the forward-facing website, so students can log into this website after their simulation and watch videos of their simulation. And our faculty are really smart, have caught on to this, so they've started assigning homework of the video on the simulation that the students were in. Here we have Reggie, Roger, and Rosie, our telepresence robots. And we use these to bring distance students here to our lab to participate in simulation with the on-site students. And that finishes up our tour of Beth-El. I hope you enjoyed it, but I've got a student logging in to do a simulation, so I've got to go.